So how to transfer money from HSBC to Revolut. So to transfer money from HSBC to Revolut, it's very easy to do. So you're firstly going to want to open up the HSBC app, which as you can see, we've got it open right here. And then you also want to head over to Revolut and open up the Revolut app. So to go ahead and transfer money to Revolut from HSBC, once you're on the Revolut app, you simply just want to select Add Money right here. Then once you've selected Add Money, it will bring you to this page here, and you simply just want to input the amount that you wish to transfer from HSBC to Revolut. So for the example of this video, we're going to say £10. Then once you've inputted the amount you want to add to your Revolut account, you simply just want to go ahead and click here. And then it will bring you through to this page here, which as you can see right now, it's set up for Apple Pay. So instead, you want to go ahead and click on Easy Bank Transfer. Then once you've selected Easy Bank Transfer, you can go ahead and press Done at the bottom, and then it will pull you back through to this page here, and you simply just want to select Continue. Then once you've done that, it will then bring you through to this page here, and nice and simple, you just want to go ahead and select HSBC right here. Then once you've selected HSBC, it then goes ahead and pulls you through to your HSBC app. So you'll just want to go ahead and authorize the payment. So press Authenticate at the bottom, go ahead and enter your HSBC PIN. And then once you've entered your HSBC PIN and authorize the payment, it then pulls you back through to your Revolut app. And as you can see here, it should tell you that the transfer was successful, and it's as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.